So good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining our Tuesday evening webinar. Every Tuesday at the same time, we are doing Meishi training. And there are a lot of people joining this week. I think there's just over 150 new people that have joined. And I would like to get all of them on this call because the power of Meishi is actually the digital business card, the app. So the quicker you can get your app up and running, the better. Sorry, I just want to let a couple more people in. Give me 1 second. See, there is Roman, Dawn, Lynn, Marius, all the professional app builders are joining. So, yeah, the most important thing to do is when you do sign up a new agent in your business, explain to them, help them get it set up in Dreams, help them get their affiliate link so they can duplicate what you've done. And secondly, help them get up and running with their Meishi app. So we are busy programming in some tutorials in Meishi Pro. So there will be actually a button underneath settings here that will say tutorial. So that will actually show them how to get started much quicker. So today, those of you that are joining now, we're going to do it a bit differently today. I'm not going to show every single step. I'm just going to show the basic steps, the basic requirements to get your app up and running so you can start sharing it with people. I actually tested it on a software that we have called Scribe. Scribe actually records your screen. Build the app. It tells you how many steps it takes to build the app, and the time just for a basic app is 26 easy steps and 3 minutes. That's what it took me. Once it's up and running, at least it's there. You can start sharing your Meishi app with people. You can save it to your home screen, and then you can start playing with it a bit more from there. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to pretend I'm a new person, and we are going to build my first Meishi app. So once you join Dreams, for the new people, I think you've seen before, you get 2 emails. One from Dreams, which is the network marketing side. That's the business that you can build to earn earn binary commissions. And then you get a second email from Meishi Pro. Once you have registered, it would be the same username and password for both. You'll end up on a screen like this. So you can customize the screen, but I'm not going to go through that now. So I'm going to show you what to do to get your first Meishi app up and running. So it's very easy, and I am recording. You guys can go through the recording. And also on the Telegram group, I have those 26 steps in 3 minutes to build your first Meishi app. So once you have access to this screen, the first thing that you need to do is just click here, create a new Meishi app. And then second prompt is add new Meishi app. First thing you need to do is you need to name your app. So this is very important because this is the end part of your link. So this is your company display name or personal display name in the link. So I'm going to call it, let's call it Bruce Test. I think I've done a couple. Let's call it Bruce Test 5. Choose a template, a theme. Now, someone did ask me if they were in the insurance industry, which theme should they choose, or if they were in the motor industry, or if they were a plumber, which theme. So you can actually use any one of these themes for any industry. It's just the basic pattern outlay of the app. And then you can put in your own information inside. So there is no wrong theme to choose. You can use any one of them. I like to get to this theme over here. It's 7th from the end. I always start in black because the black usually goes with most colors, although you can change the color at a later stage. So name at the top, name your app. I'm just saying Bruce Test number 5. I think I have a couple of those already. Choose the theme and the color, click create at the bottom. And the app is actually built at this moment. Now you just need to put in your information inside of it. So just on the left-hand side, click Meishi app. I'm going to try and go a little bit slower for the new people. And then click Meishi app again. And this will take you to the page where you edit your app. So I'm just letting everyone in. Here we go. So I've built one already. This is the one that I used to test, and I recorded it, how quick I could do it. So you would probably just have a number 1. So there's your app, and now you need to populate it. So on the right-hand side, click Business Edit. We've already chosen the theme. So now you just work from left to right over here. So we've already chosen the theme. We go to details. And now the most important thing, you need to put in a banner, which is the background landing page. your profile photo or company logo, and then you need to put in your all your personal information. So this is just to get a basic app up and running that you can start using. After that, you can start adding more features. So choose a banner. You can choose any banner that is horizontal. So the best size is 1,600 by 1,200, but anything will fit in here. So I'm just going to go into my own files. Let's just go to Meishi Pro. I think I've got them under background images. So choose any image. There we go. It fits in perfectly. Choose a profile photo. Let me just go in here to Meishi Bruce. There we go. So there we go. So the first 3 steps is to put in your banner, put in your profile photo, and then go to personalized link and then just edit this. I like to take away any spaces or special characters. That's how websites are meant to be built. So what I would do here is I would make it a capital B. I'll make it a capital T and take the dash away, and then I will move the 5 up. So that, if you have a look on the left hand side, this is how a web link should be built. Then I click save. There we go. And now I'll just put in my information. So I'll put in my name and surname over here. Put in your designation, and I'll just say Northern Ireland. So I always have a look on the right hand side on the preview. So I put in my name, designation. I live in Northern Ireland. You can put in a description. I'm not going to put anything in there just for this call. Then the most important is your go to contact info, put in your phone number. So I am a UK phone number, so +44 073 05 29 3532. Put in your email address, bruce@meishi.me, and then click save at the bottom. And that's your basic app built already. Then there's a couple more important steps. So you just go to SEO. Yeah, you can put in your profile photo again. Click save. Don't forget to click save after every step. Progressive web app, this has to be on. So when someone saves your app to their home screen, this is the text that is going to be on the image. So you click that on. I'll put in my name. So if someone saves it to the home screen, they will see my name. I like to copy it, paste it onto this side, click save, and there we go. My app is built. So that was, I don't know if anyone was timing, that was about 3 minutes. I could have done it much quicker. So next thing I like to do is I like to just hit the little preview button on the top right. And now you can actually see your app. Although it's very basic, I haven't added in any fancy features yet. Let me just remove that. So there we go. There is my name, my mobile number, email address, and it's all ready to go. So what I usually do is I go just back to my dashboard. This little green button says click to copy card link. I click that and I go paste it into my WhatsApp. I send it to myself and save it to my home screen. So yeah, once you click that, I'm just going to open up a new tab. You can paste it, and then there we go. There is your full app up and running in a couple minutes. Because a lot of people are telling me it took them 10 hours to build the app, and someone said it took them a week to do. And so I've just shown that you can actually build your app in 3 minutes. So there is my link at the top if you want to copy it, meishi.pro/Bruce test 5. So that's how quick and easy it is to build your app. I'm actually going to stop the recording here because I think a lot of people are going to send this recording to many people. So just give me 1 second. Okay. So yeah, that's how easy it is to build your first Meishi app. I'm just going to come back to you guys. Do any of the new people have any questions about building a Meishi app? I don't know if any of you have tried before and stuck anywhere, and I can answer all your questions now.
So, sorry, Bruce.
Hi, Bruce. Can I?
Oh, sorry. You go ahead.
Hi, Bruce. So if you have a website, do you go and copy your link and put it there, or
No,
you
so
can just create it using the app?
yes, so it actually gives you, it's almost like a web link. So it gives you your own web link. So it's like having your own mini website, which is a progressive web app as well. So as you saw there, if you just follow those steps at the end, when you click copy, it will give you your web link already. So that web link you can send to yourself, and you can save it to your home screen on your phone, and you can use it as an app. So it's actually a good question, because a lot of new customers are using Meishi as their website. So they're not spending 20,000 Rand or 50,000 Rand to build a website as well. You can run everything from your Meishi app.
Sorry, Bruce, that in that basic card that you did, is the QR code already there?
Yes, everything is there. Let me show you. So it's a full app that I've built already. So it's all there. If I open it again like this, if I click share, there's my QR code, all the share buttons. Yeah, so everything is there. I just haven't put in the services and products and all those fancy features that can be added in at another time. A lot of people are asking me this because 70% of the networkers, they don't want a big, fancy, complicated app that we'd build for a bank or a car dealership. They just want something that they can share, and they'll probably put in their Dreams affiliate link in there. That's the only thing that would add that I haven't added at the moment in there. So yeah, everything is here. You can save it to home screen. You can save it to your contacts. All the share options are there. The lead generation form is there. Everything is basically there. If someone saves it to the home screen, they will have my picture. So it's like a full app that I built already.
Bruce, you're still recording. I don't know if you wanted to stop recording.
I pressed pause. I don't know why it keeps on jumping back off. Let me check again. Where are you guys?